One of the most common misconceptions about buying a business today is about seller financing, owner financing, and trying to find deals that are 100% owner financed. Guys, this is almost non-existent. And the first thing you need to ask yourself about someone doing a 100% seller finance deal is, why would a seller even do that? Why would they not take all the cash as someone buying their business and instead they become the bank and just get little bits over time? That's extremely rare, and it actually signals red flags to me, meaning something might be wrong with that business. They mix too much personal, the financials aren't exactly what you think they are. So knock that out of your head. What you need to know are there some specific things that you should be negotiating in your deals when it comes to seller financing. The first thing is, most common terms are 10 to 20% of the purchase price is going to be seller financed. That's the most common. You can go up from that if you see risk. You can go down from that if you don't see as much risk. But I like to carry at least 5 to 10%, and so does the lender. The lender is going to say yes more times than not when seller financing is included. Common terms are getting that loan of 10 to 20% on 5 to 7 to 10 years. So that means you're going to be paying that loan over those amount of years with 5 to 7% interest. I'm willing to go up a little higher than that, but I start at 5% in my negotiations, and you can go up as high as you want, but I try to go a little bit below prime because why not? If the seller says yes to it, now I've saved a couple of points. Those are some specific terms. One more thing that you can think about is doing something called standby. If you can even get a couple of years of the seller to not take any payments on that loan for a couple of years, which some sellers will, this helps you build up cash flow in the business even faster. So those are just some of the common things about seller financing and one of the major misconceptions about being able to do it completely 100% financed.